Greetings from Jim, AG6IF. Looky what I have on the table today in the shack here. I have the receiver from a Collins S-Line, a 75S-3B. It's hooked to my loop outside at the moment. And I have a station control, 312-4. And how did I come upon this? I also have a transmitter, but it's not hooked up yet, a 32S3 transmitter. I was invited to a friend who happens to be a Collins collector and a member of the Collins various associations, and I helped him with some things, and he said, "Hey, come here, I have something for you." And I went in his garage expecting something like a piece of coax or who knows what. And he said, "I want to give you a complete Collins S-Line." Can you believe that? Beautiful condition equipment. Collins, so much history in Collins I've been researching. I've decided to buy a Collins S-Line a couple of years ago, and I hadn't begun to acquire any equipment yet. And so now I have a complete S-Line minus the 30L1, which I'm looking for. What a beautiful radio. Anyway, listening around today on 40 meters, and there's a lot going on out there. There's a QSO going on right here, but what a beautiful piece of equipment. Tube radio, glowing radios, warm radio. How about this? Let's see here. Feels good in the shack in the wintertime, let me tell you. What a beautiful piece of gear. Anyway, I will probably be posting some things as I begin my journey in Collins S-Line, learning about it and keeping it running and attending to it. And I'd like to say thank you to my friend Werner and Sherry, WB6RAW and KB6GWQ, for such a wonderful gift. Amazing gift. But beautiful sounding radio. Run 40 meters. And the dial's fairly close. I'm listening on the reflector. I've got the reflector pulled up. And kind of comparing notes here. So I'm going to enjoy my time with this radio for sure. So there you go, Collins S-Line 75S-3 Bravo, manufactured in the mid-60s, probably late 60s, 66 or 67 possibly. Round logo. List price was over $1,000 back in the 60s. Definitely a Cadillac radio, top of the line, and still draws a fairly hefty price today for the ones that are in good shape. A lot of collectors, a lot of refurbish going on, a lot of project work around the Collins product line. And what an amazing piece of gear. Anyway, Sherry and Werner, thank you very much. Going to have fun with this. This is Jim, AG6IF, from Southern California for the time being. Plan on moving to Nevada shortly here in the next couple, 3-4 months maybe. We'll see. House went on the market last weekend. It is August 31st. But you have a good holiday weekend, and we'll talk to you later. This is Jim, AG6IF 73.